Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the win probability chart on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the More button down below in the right side of the screen and then select a league. Then you should select the scores section at the top, then below date, and click on the relevant match that you are interested in and would check out the relevant information. So first of all, you should tap on the Gamecast section that will appear at the top of the screen on the left side. Then scroll down and here you can see this win probability chart. So tap on it next to the game flow section. Here you can check out the win probability in this chart, so feel free to move your finger to the relevant points, and here you can see the important happenings during the match written down below or below the chart, such as so it includes the names of the players. For example, this player had a defensive rebound, then here is a block, and so on. So here you can check out the winning probabilities, and the percentage is also indicated. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.